Welcome to this video on Program Financial Management. After watching this video, you will be able to define the program's financial management plan and discuss its key components. What defines a truly successful program? It's more than just completing tasks. It's about smart financial management. According to Harvard Business School's balanced scorecard model, business success depends on 4 key areas: finance, process, customer, and employee. Therefore, as a program manager, your ability to manage finances is crucial in keeping everything on track and steering the program toward its goals. To ensure this financial success, you need a solid program financial management plan. Think of it as the backbone of your overall program management strategy. Now, let's dive into some of the key elements that can be included in this plan. Every journey needs a destination. For your program, that destination is financial viability. To achieve this, first define the financial objectives and goals that will guide your decisions. It's similar to setting the destination on your GPS with the end goal, or where you want the program to end up financially. These objectives can include metrics like return on investment, or ROI, payback, internal rate of return, or IRR, and net present value, or NPV. These metrics serve as benchmarks to track progress and measure success. Next, it's important to have a cost management plan, which is like your toolkit for managing the program's finances. Start by defining the roles and responsibilities of your financial management team. This helps clarify who is responsible for what, ensuring accountability. Then, you'll need to outline how costs will be planned, organized, and managed. For example, use 3-point estimation to predict costs by considering best case, worst case, and likely scenarios. Set control thresholds, like allowing a 5% overrun before reassessing the budget. Use earned value techniques to track progress, ensuring you're on budget and schedule. Finally, establish a cost baseline as your approved budget and decide how often you'll report on costs, such as weekly or monthly updates. It is also important to create a budget plan that includes an overall budget for all program components and projects. You'll need to provide cost estimates for each phase, project, and deliverable. For example, if you're managing a software development program, you would estimate the costs for the design, development, testing, and deployment phases. Additionally, the budget plan should include a contingency plan. This defines the reserves you'll need to address unexpected expenses and mentions how these reserves will be accessed. It's also important to outline any assumptions and constraints related to the budget, which can help make informed decisions. A solid funding strategy is essential for ensuring the program has the financial resources it needs. Start by identifying both internal and external funding sources. For instance, if you're managing a construction project, your funding sources can include a mix of corporate funds and loans. Next, create a detailed schedule that outlines when funds will be released, aligned with project milestones. To ensure the program stays financially healthy, regularly monitor cash flow, such as tracking monthly expenses against your budget. Managing financial risks is another critical aspect of your responsibilities. Identify potential risks, such as cost overruns or funding shortfalls, and document them in the program risk register. Once you've identified these risks, it's time to develop a strategy. This might mean tightening the budget belt or finding new sources of funding to cover any shortfalls. Regular check-ins on your financial health and updates to your risk response plan will help keep everything on track and running smoothly. Compliance and governance should never be overlooked. Ensure your plan adheres to financial regulations, internal policies, and governance standards. It's also a good idea to schedule periodic financial audits to ensure everything is in order and define the roles and responsibilities for financial oversight. Now that you know how to create a program financial management plan, let's explore the key tips to making it work effectively. Monitoring and reporting financial benefits are crucial for showcasing your program's value. Your plan should consistently track these benefits against set targets, just as you would monitor weight loss and membership growth in a fitness program to stay on track and achieve your goals. Define key performance indicators, or KPIs, that will be used to track overall program benefits and ensure they align with the program's financial objectives. Just as precise measurements make for a successful batch of cookies, well-defined KPIs keep your program on track to achieve its objectives. Finally, you need to have a change management plan in place. This plan outlines the procedures for managing any changes to the financial plan. Before approving any changes, it's crucial to evaluate their financial impact. Ensure that any adjustments are documented and communicated to all stakeholders. In this video, you learned about the key components of a program's financial management plan, including defining roles for your financial team, planning cost management using techniques like three-point estimation, setting control thresholds for budget monitoring, establishing a cost baseline and deciding on the frequency of reporting, developing a budget plan with estimates for each phase, including a contingency plan for unexpected expenses, creating a funding strategy by identifying sources and scheduling fund releases, monitoring cash flow and managing financial risks by updating your risk response plan, and ensuring compliance with financial regulations and scheduling periodic audits. The key tips for a successful program financial management plan include monitoring and reporting financial benefits, defining KPIs, and developing a change management plan